Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. We are presetting a new video that is related to the Linksys RE6500 setup. In this video, we will talk about the various setup process and troubleshooting steps. So without wasting time, let's start the video. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple and efficient Linksys RE6500 setup process, allowing you to effortlessly expand your network's reach and enjoy a seamless online experience. The first thing is unboxing. We will give you the cleanest review of the product and manual guide. The second thing is setup process. The setup process include two methods. First is manual and second one is WPS. In this video we will talk these two setup method one by one. And the last one is reset process. This topic include that how to troubleshoot the error that comes in the setup process. So let's start with product unboxing. When we unbox the Linksys RE6500 extended, then we will find the RE6500 extender along with manual guide. This manual guide help us to set up the Linksys RE6500 extender. So let's begin the manual setup process. From beginning to conclusion, this manual guide offers a collection of setup procedures. Simply follow these Linksys RE6500 setup instructions, and your extender will be operational in a couple of minutes. First of all, plug the Linksys RE6500 extender into an electrical outlet and ensure the power LED is illuminated. Now take an electronic device like laptop, PC, or mobile phones. And then connect to the default Wi-Fi network named Linksys Extender Setup. Now launch a web browser according to your choice. Then enter the extender.linksys.com in the web browser address bar and hit the enter button. In case extender.linksys.com web address is not working, then enter 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and click Enter button. In the next step, the Linksys RE6500 login page will then show up. In this field, enter the standard username and password. Click the Login button after entering your login information. Then follow on-screen instructions to complete the Linksys RE6500 setup. By following this guide, you can effortlessly establish your Linksys Extender RE6500, resulting in enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity that's both robust and dependable across your residence or workplace. Now let's move to the WPS setup. The WPS technique is one of the simplest ways to configure the Linksys RE6500 extender. First of all, ensure that your Linksys extender support the WPS button. The WPS button is located in the side panel of the extender. Next, place your extender and router in the same room. Now press the WPS button on router for a few seconds. Within 2 minutes, also press the WPS button on your router. Wait for the WPS LED on the extender to turn solid, indicating a successful connection. With the Linksys AC1200 RE6500 setup via WPS method, your Linksys RE6500 is seamlessly linked to your router, delivering expanded Wi-Fi coverage and enhanced connectivity throughout your space. And lastly, we will discuss about the Linksys RE6500 extender reset process. Even after setting up a Linksys extender RE6500, are you still experiencing erratic wireless connections? Can't access the RE6500 web-based setup page at extender.linksys.com? If so, reset your Linksys extender to its factory defaults. The solution to all your range extenders technical problems is a Linksys RE6500 reset. Now find the reset button on the Linksys RE6500 extender. That located in the side panel of the extender. Employ a dainty paperclip or pin to delicately press and sustain pressure on the reset button. Hold for about 10 seconds. Then release the button. The extender will restart, and settings will be reset to default. Remember, performing a reset will erase any custom configurations you've made on the extender. Use this option when troubleshooting issues or starting fresh. I hope you liked this video. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.